No wealthy person is financially illiterate unless they were fortunate enough to inherit a large sum of money or to win the lottery. However, statistics show that after only a few years of being extremely wealthy, 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt. What's the deal here? Again, it all boils down to one's financial literacy. Even if you have a lot of money, you will make poor decisions and end up losing it all because you don't know what to do with it. So if you want to become wealthy in the long run, rather than just for a few years, you must first educate yourself financially. Unfortunately, schools do not provide this type of education. Therefore, it requires personal initiative. How interesting that the internet contains a multitude of different pieces of information that can effectively assist us in becoming financially literate. Unlike in the past, we now have online access to a variety of self-help tools that can be used in the pursuit of great riches. However, only a few take advantage of this extremely powerful tool and privilege. That is why, here on Usable Wisdom, we have gathered the top 4 rules to guide you in your journey to financial literacy. So if you want success in your life and business, then you came to the right channel. Because we will be uploading more videos like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing content. Before we get to those 4 rules, let me explain the 2 main reasons why people don't get the financial education they require, despite the fact that it is extremely cheap as well as in some cases, completely free. Reason number 1, conventional wisdom. Financial education is not acceptable in the conventional sense. Most people will instill in you a sense of security, and if you have the wrong mindset, you will never attract money. As an example, consider growing up. Money, as your parents may have told you, does not grow on trees, and money is the root of all evil. These lies that parents tell their children prevent people from taking the necessary steps toward a better financial future. Another widely held but incorrect belief is the negative connotation associated with debt. Debt is not all bad if you know how to use it. Nonetheless, people demonize it because they lack the necessary education. As a result, you must stop listening to those who are not financially literate or confident. You should start listening to those who know how to make money because they can give you advice on becoming financially educated. Reason number 2, comfort zone and self-esteem. To be successful, you must step outside of your comfort zone and expand your horizons by taking risks. For example, if you want to start your first business but don't have any money, you may have to first take the risk of taking out a loan from your bank and putting yourself in thousands of dollars of debt, which is out of many people's comfort zone. Charisma and confidence are 2 essential ingredients for becoming wealthy. You will never become wealthy if you lack the confidence to act. So, before diving into financial education, you must first work on yourself and your mindset when it comes to risk-taking and failure. Confidence will provide you with the strength and courage to take risks and perform under pressure. Now that you understand why people don't get financial education and how crucial it is, let's begin with the 4 principal rules of financial education. Rule number 1, don't invest in what you don't understand. There are numerous types of investments, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and forex, to name a few. The most important investment, however, is in yourself. Before you invest in anything else, you must invest in the development of your money-making machine, your brain. Acquiring the knowledge required to run a business, including financial education, is not optional. Unless you keep up to date on what's going on in your industry and niche, they'll eat you alive. Here are a few other options for investing. Invest in your business. If you buy or start a business, you will most likely want to expand it at some point. If you want to do so, you must invest money in your business in order for it to thrive. Investing in your business can range from marketing to research and development of a new product. Make an investment in real estate. Real estate investing, like other investments, is based on the principle of buy low, sell high. A simple concept with extremely difficult steps. Most real estate investors begin with regular homes. then progress to commercial real estate, hotels, large commercial centers, offices, and other properties. Essentially, you find unit structures with potential that have been mistreated, fix them up, wait for the price to rise, and then sell that unit to make a profit. Invest your money in stocks. Stocks or shares are literally a part of a company that is for sale to the public. When you buy stocks, you have the right to a portion of the company's profits, which is equal to your initial investment. The stock market, like any other investment, is fairly risky, and many people lose a lot of money in it. So these 4 types of investments are the most important and well known. However, regardless of the type of investment you choose, you must understand what you're getting into. Rule number 2. Debt is a powerful but deadly weapon. This may be objectionable, but the power of debt is underappreciated. Those who understand how to use it will thrive, while those who are afraid of it will miss out on many opportunities. There are 2 kinds of debt: good debt and bad debt. Any debt that you know you will not be able to repay is considered bad debt. So be cautious and only get into debt if you know what you're doing. Good debt, on the other hand, is debt that you are certain you will pay off or that you have a plan to pay off, and it will also make you money. Getting into debt is a tool that you can use to become wealthy. For example, you may wish to obtain a loan in order to launch your business. If everything goes as planned, you will be able to pay off your debt. Rule number 3. Think rich. Thinking rich entails seeing yourself as wealthy and acting wealthy. Essentially, you're acting the part of a wealthy individual, which may include living above your means. Living within your means is a defensive strategy devised by financial gurus that, for the most part, is sound advice. I mean, we shouldn't live above our means because that's how people get into serious financial trouble. You must spend your money in ways that give you confidence and make you feel good, as long as you are disciplined and wise with your money. Begin learning new skills that will enable you to support your desired lifestyle. This one trick will have a significant impact on your mindset. You'll begin to notice opportunities and locations where you can make money. Rule number 4. Develop skills to acquire assets. Assets are things that put money down your pocket, whereas liabilities take money out of your pocket. Your brain is your most valuable asset, which you can improve to make it even more valuable. There are certain skills that are in high demand in the market, and they all share 2 characteristics. 1. They contribute significantly to the market's value. 2. They provide you with a substantial income. So rather than working for someone else, begin developing skills that will enable you to generate income from nothing, simply by delivering results to the market. Determine what better suits your abilities and develop your first high-income skills to gain the resources needed to acquire more and more assets. Thank you for watching. I hope you gained some usable wisdom from this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the notification button and then subscribe to this channel. That way, you'll be updated anytime we upload life-changing videos like this. Until next time, see ya!